Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 208 in the Allure Premium specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's also been serviced by Howard's. But this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, this lovely panoramic glass roof. There's also tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors with rear camera. Now inside the car you've got the touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 10,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.